Hello team, and welcome to my very first video. Today we are going to be suiting up our Ultramarine in their power armor. I believe they're Primaris, and I thought this might be a little bit of fun. So let's start with some leg armor that they come with. Anyone who is a Warhammer fan will notice that the Ultramarines have been getting a lot of new lore recently. If you like the Smurfs. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Reboot Gilliman. Oh yes. And we'll pop some armor on. I don't know about you, but I never thought we'd see the day of getting some Warhammer Lego. What an age we live in. As you see, the pauldron for this chap here is close support. Different markings mean different things, of course. And we've got a lovely little Ultramarine pauldron here too. Looking suited and booted, my friend. Power pack on. And with the choice of weapons today of a bolt rifle or a bolt pistol, we march for McCrag.